Hello everyone, I'm CheCo and myself and my cousin Jonathan behind the camera today. We have come down to London to the Formula One arcade experience. So let's buckle up because it's lights out and away we go. So here we are, Formula One have actually shut this area just for us. So we're just up here, we got 8 simulators up here, fully rigged. But in the whole building, they got up to 60 simulators. So what is powering this simulator? So it's 2 computers. I thought it would be only one, but it's 2 computers. So we got 1 computer in the pillar over here where the monitors are. And these monitors are 2 1080p, 120 Hz Asus ROG monitors. So that's gonna give you a very immersive 20:9 aspect ratio, very immersive situation. But the computer that we got here, it got a 12th gen Intel, a AMD 6600 XT, and 16 gigabytes of RAM, and that one is only powering the top monitor, that is the spectator monitor. For the bottom one, we got exactly the same, but the computer is actually underneath the scene. So each sim got their own computer underneath. But if we come over here and sit down, it's a custom-made Vesaro gaming sim rigs, and they've been made here in England just for these people, just the Formula One arcade. But over here we got the Moza R16 direct wheelbase with the Moza GS Formula One wheel over here. And all this is on top of the D5 motion sim that you will see in a minute. Works, it's magic. So I've been talking to one of the guys here, Formula One Arcades, and he's in charge of all these systems, 120 systems he managed with his team, and I've been having a brief chat with him. So overall, this system costs between 38 and 40,000 pounds each if you want one in your house. So just imagine how much money being involved in here. But these people over here see 1,000 people a day, and they're telling me that from the telemetry that they're getting from the backbone of the system. And I really thought this would be just a simple Formula One game, but it's not. They actually got the API for the game, and they have developed all the in and outs with that API to make the game work, how they want it to work. So you got different stages, you got from rookie to pro, super professional, elite, and then you got head-to-head. You can do parties up to 6 people, but they can actually open that party up to, I asked that stupid question, can we all 60 simulators race in one track? The answer was yes. And talking to the guys here at Formula One Arcade in London, they have told me through the service that they've done that only 1% of all the spectators watching Formula One have actually been to a race, including myself. I've never been to a race. And this is the first of a kind they've ever done here in the UK. And it's bringing the Formula One experience to everyone. Prices are super affordable. This is the first one here in London, but they're gonna bring more to Birmingham in the UK and also the East Coast in America. So it's gonna look awesome, and these guys have done an amazing job. So here we are in Silverstone for the Formula One arcade, testing the Moza R6 direct drive and the Moza GS wheel. And right now it's on rocking, so it's just easier to me to talk to you guys. But how this direct drive wheel feels is just for a different level. The R6 over here got 6 meters of Newton torque, and you really need to put all your effort into these corners, and you add that plus all the G5 gear that you got here vibrating behind and feeling all the brakes. So if we go to these high-speed corners over here, I really feel it on my back, and you really need to hold tight once you overtake all of them. But yeah, I mean, this experience is just absolutely incredible. How you can feel like a Formula One driver, just putting your foot down to really, really pedal, and just feel all them G's when you slide around in this chair. It's just amazing. Oops. A little hit there. We can carry on. And this got five different levels: casual, rocky, regular, pro. And it's a super immersive experience, adding the movement of the whole frame, the whole ring in general, plus the direct drive, plus the pedals that they feel super hard to press in the braking zones, and having the speakers behind my head, it does feel really, really nice at the same time. And it's a whole immersed experience that you can get down here in the Formula One Arcade in London. So I really suggest to anyone visiting London for a day, just come over here and have a play.